What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the Washington, D.C. area? We ask you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2021 in Washington, D.C.
So we're roving and we're moving along, and now we are in Washington, D.C. At the first Mava travel, so I not even need tickets. Right, go. All right, so the first thing we asked, what is the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery? And that was Negril, the Jamaican Eatery. Congratulations to our winners there. Then we asked, where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? The Caribbean Market. Congratulations to you. Then we asked, what is the best local Jamaican restaurant? And the answer and winner came out Jam Dong Style. Congratulations. Then we had the Jamaican / Caribbean annual event you missed attending the most due to COVID-19, and that was the Jerk Festival in DC. Congratulations to you. And last but not least in this category in Washington, the best Jamaican / Caribbean event you attended this year, the Culture Fest DMV 2021. Congratulations to all our winners.